Welcome to the channel REKHANYAS. We are drawing cartoon characters. Today we are drawing Johnny Bravo. And in the process of my drawing, the material I am going to use today are clutch pencil, sketch pen, eraser pen, and color pencils. As my base, I am going to use fine grain sketching paper. So let's start our drawing today. Okay, our drawing is ready. And you see, as usual, Johnny is just showing off. I hope you have enjoyed the process and you can also give it a try. Please subscribe the channel for my future videos and thank you so much for watching.